Mustang Altima sitting in winter mode. Tundra's got the winters on, but it's pretty much useless in the snow with the two-wheel drive. What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Denali, aka Don Squally. Pretty much just got up, so my eyes are pretty much still closed. But I did want to make this video while I had the chance, just to give you guys an update on the G35. Now, I've been uploading some random Tundra content, a few racing videos and stuff like that, and everyone keeps asking about the Nitrous install, and you know, I know you guys are stoked and you want to see some Nitrous content, so that's the reason for me making today's video. Obviously, as you guys saw, it is winter time out here now in Canada, and unfortunately I'm gonna have to wait to make some Nitrous content, and there is a couple of reasons for that. One is because it's winter and the G35 is off the road, but two, the second reason is that I'm actually still having issues with this car misfiring. So for those of you guys who saw, I don't know when I made the video, I think it was like probably a month or two ago at this point. I made a video on this car because it did break down on me, and I was getting a P0302 on this thing, and I changed I changed the spark plugs, I changed the coil pack, I changed the MAF sensor, cam, crankshaft position sensor. What else was there? I feel like I'm forgetting something, but moral of the story is I changed a lot of things, and it's really weird because the car will start up, I can drive it up and down the street a couple of times, and then I'll get back here, I'll shut it off, and then when I turn it back on again, it's like it's misfiring. So my guess now at this point is it's probably a faulty fuel injector. The fuel injectors on this car are original, so I'm pretty sure they probably need to be cleaned, if not changed. So that's where I'm sitting right now. Now, unfortunately, over the last couple of months, I've been working a new position at my work, and I've been working the night shift, which has really thrown off my schedule. So I really haven't had much time during the day to work on this thing, and on the weekends, obviously, I'm trying to do stuff with, like, you know, family, friends, my girlfriend and stuff like that. So the plan for the G35 over the winter is to probably install some GTR injectors here. I'm going to see if I can find a set for relatively cheap. I think that'll be a nice upgrade, since we are going to be going back to get the tune slightly adjusted once I get the car running properly and we're ready to run the Nitrous. Now, the plan this year, obviously, was to install the Nitrous and go back to the track and see if we can beat our quarter-mile time. Now, I'm still going to do that, but what I also want to do for next summer is set this thing up to actually go lapping. Now, if you guys remember, we had the beater G35 that we took to the track, and I had an absolute blast with that thing. And this car right here, it's not the fastest in the quarter-mile, but to be honest, this thing really shines through the corners and on the highways, and I feel like this car would really handle well if we took it to the track. So next season, the plan with this thing is to get it to the track, do some quarter-mile racing, but also I'm really actually just looking forward to doing some lapping with this thing. So unfortunately, Canadian things, I'm gonna have to wait at least probably 3 or 4 months before, you know, all the snow clears, all the salt is cleaned off of the roads. So as of right now, this thing is going to be taken off of insurance, just to be put in storage. As you can see, we got it on the rollers right now, so I can get it over and out of the way. But there is a positive to having this thing in storage, because it'll give me the opportunity to work on it. We can do a couple more mods, like the injectors, just some maintenance, cleaning things up in the engine bay. This engine bay has been filthy for a while because of the hood vents. Just all the rain and dirt and stuff gets in there, and as you can see, it's a little dusty from sitting. But we're still going to have some regular content out. I'm hoping to get the Tundra out to do some snow drifting. The Ultima's just been the daily, and in all honesty, I've been waiting for that thing to die so I can buy something a little newer and nicer. I don't know, I'm kind of leaning towards an older Lexus for my next daily, but that thing just keeps on going, so we'll probably have some Ultima maintenance content coming in the near future as well. So for those of you guys who are waiting for the Nitrous content, be patient. We will have some coming in the near future, I can assure you. But yeah, man, if you guys have any ideas as to what the issue might be with this car, like I say, I'm leaning towards injectors at this point in the game, but I don't know. Input is always appreciated, especially when it comes to diagnosing problems that you can't really figure out on your own. But that's pretty much it, man. Just a little quick update video, nothing fancy. Just wanted to keep you guys in the loop. So with that being said, I'm your boy D-Nolly, aka Don Squally. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And we're going to catch y'all mofos at the next one, man. Peace!